Hello, my dear friend. You are here again, in this gentle space, where the noise of the world can fade for a while. Tonight, I want to sit with you and talk about something we all know too well: chaos. The world can be loud, our minds can be busy, our hearts can feel heavy. But even in the middle of chaos, it is possible to find calm. Not perfect silence, not total control, but a soft, steady calm inside you, like a quiet room within a storm. Think about the weather. A storm may rage outside, the wind may howl, the rain may pour, but deep under the ocean, the water remains still. No matter how wild the surface becomes, the deep sea keeps its peace. You are like that ocean. Life may storm around you. People may rush, demand, expect. But inside you, there is a deeper place that can remain calm. You may not feel it yet, but it is there, waiting. Often, when chaos comes, we want to fight it. We try to control everything. We try to plan every step. We tell ourselves, if I can fix it all, I will finally feel calm. But the truth is, chaos will always exist. The world will never stop moving, and sometimes trying to fight chaos only makes us more tired. Instead, what if we let chaos exist and still choose calm inside? Let's practice something simple together. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Again, breathe in and breathe out. This breath is your anchor. The world may spin, but your breath is steady. No matter where you are, you can return to it. It will not stop the chaos outside, but it will remind you that peace is possible inside. There was once a river, fast and wild. People tried to build walls to stop it, but the river broke through. Others tried to carry the water in buckets, hoping to control it, but it spilled everywhere. Then one day, a traveler came. He sat by the river and watched. He did not try to stop it. He did not try to control it. He simply let it flow. And soon, he noticed something. The river was beautiful. Its sound was music. Its flow was life. The chaos outside us is like that river. When we stop fighting it, we see its rhythm, its lessons, its beauty. Chaos does not only live outside. It often lives in our own thoughts. What if I fail? What if people don't like me? What if tomorrow is worse? This inner voice can be loud, like hundreds of people speaking at once. But you have another voice inside, a softer one. It says, "You're safe now." It says, "You can rest." It says, "One step at a time." Finding calm in chaos means learning to listen to this softer voice. Here are gentle things you can do, even in busy days. Close your eyes for 1 minute and focus only on your breath. Step outside, feel the air on your skin, and remember you are part of something bigger. Place your hand on your chest and say quietly, "I am here. I am safe." Do one small thing slowly. Drink tea, wash your hands, fold a shirt, and let that moment be calm. These practices do not erase chaos, but they create calm spaces within it. Imagine yourself as a mountain. Strong, steady, present. Storms may come, winds may blow, rain may fall, but the mountain does not run. It does not shout at the storm. It simply stands. You are like that mountain. You may feel shaken on the surface, but deep down you have a strength that chaos cannot break. Sometimes the noise feels unbearable. The phone won't stop ringing, responsibilities pile up, your mind feels like it's spinning. In those moments, remember, you don't need to fix everything. You only need to pause. Take one breath, do one small act of care, return to yourself. This pause is not weakness, it is wisdom. Calm is not something you achieve once and keep forever. It is something you choose again and again, like returning to your breath, like lighting a candle every night, like reminding yourself, I am safe. Chaos will always knock at your door, but calm will always wait in your heart, and you have the power to choose it. Before sleep, let's practice together. Close your eyes, take a slow breath in, and let it out. Now imagine a soft light above your head. With every breath, the light grows warmer. It covers your head, your shoulders, your arms, your heart. It moves down through your body, to your legs, to your feet. You are wrapped in soft light. Outside, the world may still be busy, but here, inside this light, there is peace. As you lie down tonight, remember this truth. Chaos does not define you. Noise does not control you. You can always return to calm. It is like a small room inside you. The door is always open. And every time you step inside, you remember who you are. Strong, gentle, safe. So sleep now, dear friend. Let the world outside continue its dance. Let tomorrow arrive when it's ready. For now, you are here, calm, safe, loved. And no matter how much chaos comes, you carry peace within you. Always. Good night.